See my bougie pup back here. Chico. I'm on my bum vibes this morning. He just been ignoring me. It's okay. When you want that bacon strip. Fall vibes. Even though I have on sandals. Now he's feeling the mood. Here he is shaking off the mood. He didn't want to leave the park, buddy. Look at, he didn't want to leave. Hey, bud. Hey, guys, so it's time for me to tackle all of this. Look at this big ass mess. This is like really a mess. All right, so this is part of the mess. This is part of the problem. This is part of the problem, okay? So I'm going to be getting into these drawers, getting into my makeup. This is a mess. This is an entire mess. It's time to get it together. Was editing my vlog that I kind of finished up this past Monday. Today's Wednesday, by the way. Yeah, I finished up my vlog on Monday. So I was editing it right now. And as I'm editing, I'm over there like cleaning off my desk. I broke a nail. And in that vlog, I actually had my nails done. But then I took my nails off. But then I wanted to put them back on. Y'all see, because they are sheer red. And I was so mad because I had like this sheer little red shirt to go with like the sheer red nails. Like it was going to be like a look. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be like a little look. And so I'm kind of upset about that. And so I am so discouraged now. But I'm going to repair it. So if you see me with a repaired nail in my upcoming, in the new makeup video that I'm going to film tonight, don't come for me, okay? This is the shirt, y'all. Sheer little red shirt. And I'm just going to put on like some black pants. I'm not showing the pants or nothing anyway. So, but I'm like, I wanted to have that little cute look. Like, see how it's sheer and then the little sheer nails. Like, I was trying to do something, okay? I think I'm going to use this later. But anyway, you guys are going to be familiar with my broken nail. Yeah, I'm panini pressed about that shit. I'm very pressed about it. Ooh, it is pretty. Cannot wait to show you this. So, I did my unit and it's not giving in the front right now, but I'm going to do it before I start filming. But anyway, look at how I had to relax it. Look at this. Look how curly it was. I had to kind of like relax the curls. I just went through it like this. They like go through it section by section. As relaxed as I really want it to be. Now look at this side. Like look. See, like I just want it to be a little more relaxed. I want it to be more straightened up here. I don't know if I want bangs. And then I need to put some concealer on them too. It's giving dream girls, you guys. I don't know. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Huda and Dominique Cosmetics have definitely been pushing the bar. Like they've been coming out, you know, regular, great products. And I'm excited. I'm really excited for the new Dominique Cosmetics launch. Like, really one of my favorite brands, Rokael Beauty Lashes. You cannot go wrong with them. And right now they're having a sale. So I did pick up the Solar Flares and I truly, truly love them. They look so good with this look. When you take them out of the package, they really do look very like they almost look kind of small. So I was wondering, like, is that something that I'm going to, you know, want to, you know, is that something I'm going to want to have for this look? And I am feeling them so much that I actually have a couple of other items coming from his brand. So I can't wait. Who else? I mean, what else did I use that was kind of fairly new? Oh, and the brown sugar liner. I think I think these may have been out, her lipsticks and the liners, but I'm actually very excited for her holiday launch. Which launches, I believe, like on Friday or something. So I'm super happy about that. I cannot wait until all of that stuff is available because I'm going to definitely review it again. Pretty much, you know, I pretty much kind of like, you know, I really feel like I snapped on this look. Like it really is pretty. The palette is really good. And I really can't complain about it. She did do a lot of the pans that were in other palettes before, maybe just switching up the color a bit, but to me, still worth it. Felt like it was going to clash with like the red and stuff that I have on, which it may steal a little bit, but on camera this looks a little bit not as red beaming as it looks in person. So I don't know. Hey guys, okay, so today I'm actually taking the kids to the park so they can get some of that energy out, and then I'm actually going to go to Starbucks and I'm going to try all of the holiday drinks. Hey, I know it sounds a little greedy, but that's what happens on the holidays. You get a little greedy. Already tried the pumpkin spice frappuccino with 3 pumps of caramel, and then another time I tried it by itself. They're pretty good. They're okay. They're okay. But I want to try them. I want to see what they all taste like. So yeah, probably in a little bit I'm going to do that. So I will see you guys at Starbucks. I am back in the car. They only had 4 holiday drinks, so I ended up getting this one. This one is the iced sugar cookie almond milk latte right here, so I'm gonna try this one first. But they didn't have almond milk, so I put soy in it, which I'm pretty sure is still gonna make it taste pretty good. Let's see. Oh, and it has sprinkles on top and everything, you guys see. I like this. It has a strong coffee taste though. I'm normally not used to, but still pretty good. This one right here is the peppermint mocha. I actually blended it. And let's see how this one tastes. I think this one, okay, I like this one. This one is pretty good. I love peppermint. This one is actually the caramel brulee latte. I got this one hot. It is super hot. All right, let's see. Oh my God. This is my favorite one. This one is my favorite one. And I usually don't drink hot drinks from Starbucks, but this might just be my favorite new one. Oh my God. 8 out of 10. I'm definitely rating this one an 8 out of 10. This is like one of my favorite ones. The iced sugar cookie almond milk latte, I'm going to rate this one about a 7 because it's really sweet like I like, but it's so super strong with the coffee taste, but it's still pretty good. All right guys, the peppermint mocha latte blended, I'm going to give it like a 5. I'm just going to sip on this one right here. It is so good. And then girls, show them what you got. They just got regular
caramel ribbon crunch cream base.
Caramel ribbon crunch cream base. And now we're on our way to the park, and I'm going to zoom them there so fast because it's getting late and I don't want it to be. Oh, we're on our way to McDonald's for this child here. Wave your cups in the air like you just don't care. Yeah.
Yay.
All right, guys, so I am getting ready to get this makeup together, set up the camera so that I can you guys can properly see me. Let me turn the light on so you guys can see good. Actually, I showed this, but I didn't open it up for you guys. So I'm glad I don't have any nails. I feel like when I have nails on, I can't be rough. You know, like I literally, unless they're super short, then I might have a chance. But yeah, so I'm going to take this out. I hope it's easy to set up. This is really the needling for my clay pots that I make my ceramics. I used to do it when I was younger in like church programs, not church program, but like in church functions for kids. I would do that. But now I decided to take it up again, and I feel like I was looking real amateurish. It was like really amateur night for real. Almost kind of going into like this white gray. That's what it kind of looks like, so I'm kind of disappointed in that. Look at what my baby brought home, child. The Titanic, the Ship of Dreams. I had to take a little break and look at this. This is so cool. The book, she has to read it. And I told her I've seen it a million times. So the Titanic pops out. This is so cool. Wow. The confirmation letter. And I love the Titanic movie because I liked Leonardo DiCaprio.
I asked about it.
Oh, wow. See, oh my goodness. You gonna have fun reading this. I had to show you guys that she had the Titanic book. I was like, wow, that's so cool. She doesn't even know how cool. And I hate that I can't even really show it, like, really done up because my makeup area is literally a pigsty. I just hope that I can get it nice and neat, and then I'm going to clean it off. I'm going to do that on the vlog, too. Okay, so this is how we post the head in. Oh, maybe not. Oh, I didn't screw it in right. You got to squeeze. Ah! You have to squeeze it. I did not squeeze them. Did I? Oh, y'all, I didn't squeeze it all the way in. I never put nothing together. I always get it done, but I thought, like, for this, why not? So I'm doing a vlog, why not do it? All right, and then as you guys can see right here, it has brakes on it, so it can roll as you need, and then you can put it back down. Put it in. And I don't have a huge amount of palettes, but I have some really good quality palettes. So I might speed this up, you guys, just because maybe you guys don't want to hear me talking and smashing things around. It's really, really easy. It's like nothing else really need to be done, but just like applying, you know, putting the bars in, pretty much. Okay, y'all, so I have you guys where you guys can see it good, hopefully. All right, guys, so now, finishing it off. Okay, guys, so these are the things here, and so they're supposed to go this way. Goes in like that. The other one snapped in good. All right, you guys, and that is my little thing put together. Guys, so we're going to take all these out. We're going to get started with the biggest ones first. Sorry, y'all, it's a big mess up here, too. Amrezy palette. Ooh, and that Jackie Aina palette. I love them. I don't think I ever used them. I have two from Beauty Bakery. All that palette, I thought I filmed with this one. I mean, I thought that I used this one, but I guess I didn't. But Holiday, the Urban Decay Stone Vibe palette. I hate that I didn't really pop off with that. Do I have the OG Glow Kit? Look at that. This is one of my first palettes that I purchased. One of my first. Well, I think I got. Did I get this from Ulta? I think I got it from Ulta Beauty. Well, something. We got a little bit done today. I feel like if I have them out, you guys don't understand. Like, I need to have them out, and then I feel like once they're out, I can get it. Here, you guys, it's like definitely a lot of pencils and a lot of lashes. So I think I'm gonna stack some lashes in here too. A lot of my lashes I had to throw out. And then I have more on the way from Rokael Beauty. I might even redo a couple of these palettes in here. But for now, it's done. I don't have anything up on this one. So you guys stay tuned for part 2 of organizing the vanity next.